Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the comp and getting the path ready. Create a text layer, then pre-compose the text so effects stay organized. This matters for masks and tracking. Next, add a shape layer and draw a precise path with the pen tool that follows the strokes of your letters. This is the guide for the write-on. Once done, make sure path direction matches stroke direction. Otherwise, the reveal will run backwards, so reverse if needed. Now you apply the stroke effect to the shape path and set paint style to on transparent. This isolates the animated stroke. Animate the end parameter from 0 to 100% over the desired duration. Use easy ease for smoother motion. To make the stroke match the text, tweak brush size and color, and if letters need individual timing, stagger keyframes or use trim paths. Once set, parent the stroke to the pre-composed text, so alignment holds during transforms and scaling. Finish by refining the look. Feather the stroke edges slightly, add a subtle glow or use motion blur to simulate ink flow. This sells the effect. Use the graph editor to tweak speed so strokes accelerate and decelerate realistically. Make sure endpoints snap to letter edges. If the reveal runs the wrong way, reverse the path or swap start and end keyframes. If gaps appear, increase brush size or enable stroke, paint sequentially for connected letters. These quick fixes solve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.